Every time I've swung my leg over a bike and gone for a ride, it's made me feel better, regardless of what mood I was in beforehand. I recently experienced the complete opposite of this effect. I got off my bike and felt like pure garbage compared to when I got on it. Let's talk about why. If you didn't already know, my dad recently passed away quite unexpectedly, and I'm coming to terms with it. It's fair to say the past couple of months have been the shittest few months of my life thus far, but it's life and we're getting through it. I made a video addressing this. I released that video for two reasons. Firstly, it was extremely cathartic. I felt like I could kind of say my piece and say it to the world for everyone to hear. I didn't get that opportunity at his funeral, so that was kind of my opportunity to do that. And secondly, I wanted you guys to know he was a presence on the channel, even though I avoided featuring him directly, and I was not expecting the responses I got on that video. It was this outpouring of love and care. Oh my god, you guys are amazing. I read every single comment multiple times and they all made me feel better. There were a few of you who actually left quite long, thoughtful, kind messages. Yeah, I just, from the bottom of my heart, want to thank everyone who sent their condolences, left a kind message, and was kind of thinking about me and my dad in that time. You guys came in clutch. I needed it, and you guys gave it to me. I didn't even know I needed it, and you guys gave it to me. I love you guys. So let's get to the first ride. A couple of weeks after my dad's passing, I had to bring the Ninja 400 back home. I hopped on the bike. You know, I've done this route many times, but all I could think about the moment I swung my leg over the bike was the fact that I'd never have my dad riding beside me again. It was hard. It was tough. And the entirety of this road, I was grappling with this conflict inside of me, like the pure joy of being on two wheels again after such a long time, but then the pain, the agony of me partaking in this passion that my dad and I shared. So I got to this particular intersection and the emotions were starting to get overwhelming, because right around the next intersection is the hospital where my dad passed away. And I felt it that day, man. That first ride after losing him and having to ride past the hospital where he passed away. Shit, that hurts. It's a different kind of pain, man. I was barely keeping it together and I needed to pull over, quite frankly. So I took this turn right here and I pulled into the hospital and I fell apart. Yep, that's me crying. I don't do that often, but I've cried more than I've ever cried in my life over the past 2 months. And I just took a seat and relived the events of that particular day. I eventually collected myself, got back on the bike, and continued my journey back home. Ever since Dad passed, motorcycles have been really touchy for me. It's been hard to even look at my motorbikes, his bike, let alone ride him. And in hindsight, that makes a lot of sense. My dad and I, we didn't have a lot in common, but motorcycles came into our lives. Well, it kind of came into mine and I forced it upon him. And it brought us together over these past few years, closer than we'd ever been before. So there was a really strong sense of significance attached to these two-wheeled machines, not just because I love them so much, but because he and I both love them so much. It's just so funny seeing that, because obviously my mum and my sister don't give a shit about motorcycles, but you bring up a motorcycle in front of me, or, you know, relate it to my dad somehow, and I kind of just fall apart. It's really hard, but it's also beautiful. The reason it hurts so much is because There was meaning to it, and I like that. Getting back in the saddle after my dad died has been both painful and therapeutic. I swing my leg over this machine and I ride it as I'm riding it right now, and I still feel good, a semblance of peace now that the edge has started to wear off. The fact of the matter is, this hobby, this passion, is now always going to have a burden attached to it. Whenever I swing my leg over this bike, whenever I hit a milestone related to motorcycling, I'm going to be thinking of my dad. That weight is always going to be attached to my journey now. But the beauty of it is, it's not necessarily a burden, it's not necessarily tarnished. It's actually a blessing in a way, because it's a way for me to feel closer to him, especially now that he's not here anymore. Man, I'm so grateful for motorcycles and what they have given me in my life. I was always grateful to these machines because they brought me so much joy, so much happiness. I also realized they gave me so much more than just joy and pleasure. It gave me a stronger connection with my dad, and for that I am forever grateful. Anyway, I think I'm gonna stop talking about this and just focus on the ride home. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.